What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and to another video. I know it has been a few days, a week or so since I've uploaded, and I'll go ahead and catch you guys up on all of that in a little bit. We're at Air Gas right now because we gotta get some welding gas to do my cab corners either today or tomorrow. You guys, this weekend my truck is actually going for paint, so I'm gonna be vlogging, editing, uploading as soon as basically we do this stuff, because I want you guys to see it and I'm tired of waiting, so I'm sure you guys are tired too. So we got a lot to do before this weekend. In other words, Ryan is giving away his Tahoe on his channel, so I've been helping him with some orders, helping film some ads. I have a ton of stuff going on behind scenes for you guys as well. It's just like been crazy. Like, I don't know, the end of October to the beginning of November has been wow, but I'm not complaining. I just wanted to throw you guys kind of in the loop. It's the next day and me and Ryan just got done at the gym. I'm super tired. I look so bad. Sorry. But we're actually washing Ryan's Tahoe so we can go film another ad. So I thought it would be a good time to mention it on my channel. Ryan is giving away this Tahoe. You guys can win it over at liftedco.com. There's a bunch of information on the website, but it is live until the end of November. So yeah, definitely go check it out. I'll leave the website right here and in the description box below. But yeah, we're gonna go film an ad. I'm kind of just gonna vlog and we're gonna go get some shots of the Tahoe and go home. guys, it is the next day and we're actually headed back to the paint shop, and I'm actually dropping this camera. So we're going to pick up my parts. What's going on? We are on our way to pick up the parts that we painted this weekend. We just let them dry overnight and they turned out so freaking good. We're gonna have a bit of a, you know, issue getting it back onto the trailer since it does have fresh paint. We don't want to mess it up. So freaking
well, first
good.
of all, yeah, it looks amazing. This is nuts. We just got bombarded with this wind and
yeah,
this weather.
We have some severe wind and weather on our way home. So hopefully it you know, makes it all the way, but it turned out so freaking good. Look at that. Look at it. It's a freaking highlighter.
Not go anywhere. It is strapped in 8 ways, literally 6 ways.
Yeah, we did strap it. It's just pretty.
But it's like hard because the bed itself is obviously freshly painted, so you can't rough it up.
Yeah.
So that's why it's strapped the way it is on top of a scrapped filing cabinet, to be honest.
Yeah, I really didn't show that, but it is strapped on a cabinet. But it turned out so good, honestly. For gas for the first time, and we're checking up on the bed. Guys, this is so freaking good rolling down the road. Just about everybody has turned their head to look at this. This blue stands out so much. Look at it, it's so bright. And the paint turned out so freaking amazing. I couldn't be happier, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm literally so thrilled. We are gonna go ahead and bring the rest of the truck down next weekend to get painted and finished up. We might split it into 2 more weekends, but we're kind of just gonna go from here, see what we can do this week to get ready for next weekend. But this freaking paint color is better than I even imagined. I'm so happy. And we did do a pearl shift in there, also some just like white sparkle flake. So we do have a shift to purple, a blue that shifts to purple, and a white sparkle. And it's super hard to see on camera, but you guys, it's freaking beautiful. It's beautiful. I know it's been a hot ass minute since I've uploaded a video, so I'm really sorry, but it's worth it. There's a lot going on behind the scenes. This has taken a lot of time just to get down here and all the prep work and all of that. So just so you guys are a little bit more caught up, there's gonna be a lot more videos coming your way as we wrap up this build. This is pretty much what we've been waiting for the past couple weeks. So you guys, it's freaking go time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.